नमस्कार. आयज आमचो मुद्दो हांगा ही प्रेस घेवपाक आमी हांगासर जमिल्ले आसा. म्हजे बरोबर आसा बाय उमा वळवयकर. आयज गोंयांत कितें चल्लां तें सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, पूण हांव दोन मुद्द्याचेर उलोवपा आसा. आनी ते दोन मुद्दे म्हणटा ते विच इज व्हेरी क्लोज टू द हार्ट्स ऑफ वुमन. व्हेरी क्लोज पळोवपाक क्लोजली पळोवपाक हे मुद्दे जे हांव उलयता ते बायलांचे विशीं आसा आनी बायल आनी चले मनशाचे विशीं आसा. आतां तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की पर्रीकराचे जे एक विजन आशिल्लें, पर्रीकराची एक लिगसी आशिल्ली. पर्रीकर 2012 जे विजन घेवन आयिल्लो आनी एक ताजो एक विजनाचे विशीं ताजे आयडियाज आशिल्ल्यो की सरकारान कसो आयिल्लो तेजेर आयज खंय तरी हो BJP सरकार आसा जो सावंताचो तांणी ताजेर उदक घातिल्लें आसा. इट इज बीन ट्रॅम्पल्ड. सो लेट मी से इट, द BJP government is trampled over Parrikar's vision, especially on social welfare schemes and the on affordable petrol prices and diesel prices. And why I'm saying this is, आता दोन विषय पळयात तुमी. 2012 जेन्ना इलेक्शन आशिल्ली तेन्ना पर्रीकर वॉज द गाय हू वॉज द मेन पर्सन. तो फोकसान आशिल्लो एंड ही वॉज द वन स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट द BJP इन पावराक हाडपा खातीर ताणें भरपूर हें केल्ली, ताजे कळ्ळें एफर्ट्स घातिल्ली, मेहनत केल्ली. आनी तेन्ना तेणें कितें सांगिल्लें, तेणी ह्यो स्किम्स हाडिल्ल्यो. फर्स्ट स्कीम म्हणटा ती सोशल वेलफेअर स्किमाक तुमी पळयलां आसतलें, लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम हाडिल्ली. आनी ती लाडली लक्ष्मी स्किमाक लागून लोक सारको पिसो जालो आनी हिट स्कीम जाली ती. आनी ती स्कीम कितें म्हूण आशिल्ली, जेन्ना चली मनीस लग्न जावपा आसा वो लग्न जाता तेन्ना तिका 1 लाखाचे रुपयेची मदत मेळटली म्हणून. आनी दॅट गर्ल कॅन यूज इट फॉर द मॅरेज पर्पज or a future purpose or anything or during a marriage time as a help मदत म्हणून. आणि ही स्कीम तेणी लागू केली आणि ती लोकांनी मेळत गेली आणि लोक इतलो हॅप्पी जालो की बाबा चल BJP सरकारान कितें तरी पर्रीकरान स्टार्ट केलां आणि तांचेर खंय तरी विश्वास दवरलो. सेकंड, गृह आधार स्कीम स्टार्ट केली पर्रीकरान बायलांकच. आणि गृह आधार कितें आशिल्लें, म्हयन्याक बायलांनी खंय तरी 1,500 2,000 मेळपाची ही स्कीम. बायल्यो हॅप्पी जाल्यो, खूब हॅप्पी जाल्यो. कितेंय जावं बायलांच्या हातीन कितें तरी पडपा लागलें. घो जोडून हाडटा दिता. बायल एक होम मिनिस्टर आसता, घो जोडून हाडटा, पूण बायल होम मिनिस्टर, बायलेक सगळें सांबाळपाक पडटा. होम मिनिस्टर वाय एसी बिकॉज शी हॅज टू टेक केअर ऑफ द अकाउंट्स. हाऊ मच फॉर द मिल्क, हाऊ मच आय हॅव टू पे फॉर द न्यूजपेपरवाला, हाऊ मच आय हॅव टू पे फॉर द ग्रोसरीज, हाऊ मच आय हॅव टू पे फॉर एसेन्शियल कॉमोडिटीज. आनी स्कूल भुरग्याचे स्कुलाचे फीज, ट्युशन फीज. सो हातूंत सरकारान कितें केलें, BJPन पर्रीकरान तेणी स्कीम हाडली गृह आधार. 1,500 बायलांक मेळटले. सो लेडीज वर हॅपी, कितें तरी आमकां पॉकेट मनी मेळटलें म्हणून. आनी तिसरी स्कीम हाडिल्ली पर्रीकरान सोशल वेलफेअर स्कीम, ती म्हूण सांगपाक सोदता हांव इज पेन्शन स्कीम, देसे स्कीम. जे वडील आसा जाणटेले 60 वर्सांचे वयर 60 years and above तांकां खंय तरी 2,000 मेळटले म्हणून. आनी ती स्कीम लागू केल्यो. सो This was the main propaganda and this were the schemes, the vision which Parrikar had come, and because of this social welfare scheme I can tell you all, it was a तांकां धमाका, तांकां एक चान्स मेळ्ळो, संदी मेळ्ळी हितून येवपाक, सरकार घडोवपाक, BJP सरकार पावरान येवपाक. कित्याक सगळो लोक, कित्याक ही स्कीम सगळ्याक वचपाक लागले, सगळे खंयच्या पक्षाचो आनी कितें ना, लोकांनी ताका एक ट्रस्ट करून ताका एक चान्स दिलो आनी तो सरकार घडलो. पूण आयज दूख दिसता, वायट दिसता सांगपाक. वी आर फिलींग बॅड बिकॉज एवरीवन नोज वी आर इन which phase we are going. Goans are going through COVID pandemic times, the bad times. People are suffering. There are jobs. Everyone is not blessed in Goa to have a government job. Sarkar could not give, nor could Congress give, nor even BJP could not give employment. Employment in the sense government sectoराक लोकांनी जॉब दिवना. एंड आमचे पळोवपाक गेल्यार अराउंड 65 to 70% गोवन्स प्रायवेट जॉब्स. प्रायवेट जॉब आयज पळोवपाक गेल्यार कंपनीज आर शट डावन. 50% reduction of payment, alternate days working hours, economical crises have taken place in Goa. So, but India, of course, but I'm talking being in Goa, being a Goan, I am taking Goan's issue. So I'm telling गोंयकारांक आयज खंय तरी जॉब्स गेल्यात, पोटाक कांय ना, राशन ना. सो ह्या हितूंत टर्मोइलांत पॅन्डेमीक टायमार जेन्ना मनशाक गरज आसा, वेन द पर्सन रियली नीड्स ड्युरींग दीस टायम, दीस फेज, द लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम इज समवेअर क्लोज टू नोवेअर. लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम आसा वो ना ते गोंयकारांक खबर ना. कित्याक पॅन्डेमीक जालें, बट देन यू कॉन्ट स्टॉप द यूथ फ्रॉम गेटिंग मॅरीड. देर आर पहिले 1000 लोकांक हॉलांत घेवन लग्न करताले, खंय 200 लोकांक घेवन कर म्हणलें बीजेपीच्या CMान सावंतान, आनी लास्टाक 50 लोकांक घेवन लग्न कर म्हणलें. लग्न तें लग्न न्ही, आनी ते चलेक ताजे कायद्याचो तो 1 लाख मेळपाचो तो आयज तो मेळना जाला. आयज म्हाका वायट दिसता सांगपाक. आय रियली फील इट्स रियली डिसहार्टनिंग एंड very hurting to say that our women, our girl child, who were like all waiting, like they would get some madad, some help in this COVID pandemic times, because their fathers are jobless, or maybe they are even spouses are jobless, but then they have to get married. They had thought that this would help. But if you go to see, in this last 2 years, one will be shocked to know, Goans will be shocked to know, in this last 2 years, only 400 applications are approved in this last 2 years. Like 2%. Like where are we? Like schemes exist na. And sumar, more shocking, I would like to tell you all, is 24,000 applications have been pending. It's a big number. 24,000 चेडवांक, 24,000 जे बायलो लग्न जाल्या, तांचो कायद्यान तांकां 1 लाख मेळपाचो आशिल्लो, that is not been approved. And only 400 is approved, and I can tell with assurance, this 400 which is approved is also maybe the ones who are very close to the Bharatiya Janata Party, maybe the ministers who have got sanctioned, तांचे कार्यकर्ता who are their close ones. तांकां, what about the real deserving women? जे बायलांक खरेंच गरजेचे आसा, चल्यांक गरजेचे आसा, तांचे कितें? 24,000 applications are pending means you can understand the rate. This is approval rate of less than 2% per year. म्हळ्यार दिस स्कीम मेलेल्या भाशेन आसा. ती फक्त नांवा खातीर स्कीम आसा. लाडली लक्ष्मी इज ओनली ऑन पेपर that one scheme is existing, but people of Goa should know the facts and the reality. This is the time where the Sarkar BJP has to reach out to the people, especially to the Goan sisters, and it's creating more लोकांचे पोटार सरकार येवपाक लागला, लोकांच्या चेडवांचे सरकार पोटार येवपाक लागला. पयर CM सावंत इज बोस्टिंग की हायर सेकंडरीत खंय गर्ल्स चायल्ड खंय गोंयांत सेकंड हायेस्ट आसा म्हणून लिटरसी रेशियो. पूण ताका लस हे सांगपाक दिसता म्हाका की ते चल्यांक न्ही, लोक आवय बापूय शिकून व्हडले करतात, पोटाक लायतात, कित्याक ते आपल्या पांयार उबे रावचे म्हणून. ती चेडवां खंय तरी इंडिपेंडंट जावचे म्हणून पेरंट्स लोन काडटात, चेडवांक न्ही MBBS शिकयतात, अधोगासी शिकयतात, नर्सी करतात, बरे खंयच्या कंपनीत बरे MBA जावन खंय तरी कामाक लागतले म्हणून. बट नो, jobs are not there. What is the use of boasting? And here, during marriage also, which Madad, the help which Parikar had started vision, you all have killed Parikar's vision. You all have killed Parikar's legacy. ते एक म्हणणें आसा, there's a saying, ते खंय कितें पोदेर गेले ते पांव गेले, ते पांव गेले उंडे गेले पोदेर गेले, पोदेर गेले पांव गेले, तसली खबर. तो परिकर गेलो आनी विजन म्हणटा ते परिकराचे आशिल्ले BJPचे इज फेल्ड बिग टायम. वेल, that as I've told की लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम is as gone. हांव सांगूंक सोदता बाब विश्वजीत राणे, जो खात्याचो मिनिस्टर आसा वुमन एंड चायल्ड वेलफेअराचो. आमी एक 8 महिने पयलीं हांवें बायलांक घेवन मोर्चा काडिल्लो ते तुमी स्कीम्स पेंडींग दवरल्या, स्टॉप दवरल्या म्हणून. पूण मागीर तुमी खंय तरी रिलीज केले 1 म्हयन्यान. आतां हांव हात जोडटां. I want to tell you all on behalf of the Goan sisters and women, where is the scheme? 24,000 applications are pending for last 2 years. Those girls, they need the money now. Those women need money now. Their families need money now. That 24,000 can be of great help now in pandemic. So CM Sawant, you have failed big time. You have to release this money. Secondly, I would like to speak on casinos. कसिनोजाचेर समज आमचो कोण तो चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत आणि बीजेपी सरकार इफ यू आर कॅन तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता दॅट ही तेणें गिफ्ट दिला. तेणें बीजेपी सरकारान सावंतान आमच्या गोंयच्या सीएमान आयज गिफ्ट केल्लें आसा कसिनोक. कितें केल्लें आसा गिफ्ट 277 ताणें हे पयशे वेव आउट केल्ले आसा. 277 रुपीज वेव आउट केला कसिनोसान. कित्याक म्हण रे तें कसिनोक वेव आउट करून कितें जावपा आसा मदत. हे पयशे तेच 277 तूं हे लाडली लक्ष्मीक घालपाक शकता आशिल्लो. गृह आधार जे तुवें पेंडींग दवरिल्ले आसा पयशे बायलांक जे गृह आधार मेळटा म्हयन्याक ते पेंडींग दवरिल्ले आसा. कितले म्हयने जाले मरे तुवें पयशे क्लियर केल्ले ना गृह आधाराचे. जे जाणटेले पॅन्डेमिकांत आयज आमचे वडील आसा सिनियर सिटीजन्स who deserve what you guys must be having parents at home, elderly parents at home or grandparents at home. Your surroundings all must be seeing. Are those 2000 would help them to get their diabetic medicines or हार्टाचे जे पेशंट्स आसा वखदाक लागून खंय तरी हो कांय ना जाल्यार एक दुधाचे पोती पूण हाडपाक तांकां ती मदत जाता. ते पेंडींग उरना आशिल्ले. तूं कसिनो सो यू कॅन मेक आउट एट कसिनो माफियाचो तूं हिरो जाल्लो आसा म्हणून 277 crores if you are waving out to casino. आणि कितें उरला आणि खंय गेलो तो MLA बाबूश मोन्सेरात द MLA ऑफ पेंजीम. I am sitting here and I am making this charge. Why is Babush Montserrat quiet? He had told during his elections propaganda that within 100 days I will remove this casino. So is there some big setting of Big Daddy and our big Babush from Panjim? What is going on BJP? कसिनोक वेव आउट करतात आणि रेव्हेन्यू तुम्ही तांकां वेव आउट करतात आणि गोंयचे जे जनता आसा सोशल वेलफेअर स्कीम आसा तांकां तुम्ही लोकांच्या पोटार येवपाक लागल्यात. आणि वर्स म्हणटा ते वायट दिसता की दे आर लायक अनाउन्समेंट करतात ते व्हडले. वर्स म्हणल्यार सावंतान अनाउन्समेंट केल्ले आसा तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें फाटल्या दिसान. आय डोंट नो वेदर इट वॉज अ पब्लिसिटी स्टंट डन बाय द CM ऑफ गोवा दॅट इज प्रमोद सावंत की कोविड लोकांक कोविड पेशंटांक आणि कोविडाचे जे मेल्ले आसा लोक तांच्या फॅमिलीक कितें तरी कंपेन्सेशन दितलो कितें तरी लाभ दितलो म्हणून सांगिल्लें. इज इट जस्ट अ हेडलायन? नोटिफिकेशन ना सर्क्युलेशन ना आमी कोणाक दिल्ले म्हणून तुका आमी पळोवना. सो वेर आर दीस इज हे खरे मुद्दे जे आसा वेर BJP इज गेटिंग एक्सपोज्ड. तिसरें सांगपाक सोदता मोदीन एक म्हणिल्लें आनी पर्रीकराचें आशिल्लें धर्म कितें बहुत हुई महंगाई की मार और बहुत हुई पेट्रोल डीजल की मार अब की बार BJP सरकार. दिस वॉज द स्लोगन गिवन बाय BJP. पर्रीकरान बेस्ट केलें कितें एक घोशणा केली 2012चे पयले की आमी वॅट काडटले म्हणून पेट्रोलाचेर जे पेट्रोल म्हारग जाल्ले ताजे वॅट काडटले म्हणून. आणि पेट्रोलाचे वॅट काडून वी विल सी दॅट पेट्रोल will be waived off, petrol prices will be waived off and it will remain, the prices of petrol will remain below 60 rupees. Where are the promises gone, Pramod Sawant? Oh, are you trying to show that BJP, Parrikar's BJP was different and his vision was different and your vision is different? तुम्ही कितें सांगपाक सोदतात? खंय गेले पर्रीकर had promised that we are waiving off the VAT on petrol and petrol will not go beyond 60 rupees more. And I want to remind Goans, this will be very much in the hearts of Goans, in the minds of Goans, because on these people got carried away and people had that thing that yes, petrol will not go above 60 rupees as Parrikar has said. And then they wave out केल्ले. पण आयज पेट्रोल पावला गोंयांत कितले 93 rupees, 95 rupees. पेट्रोल एंड डिझल सेंचुरी मारपाक लागल्या काय म्हणून विचारता हांव. कितल्याचेर पावला पेट्रोल? कोविडा टायमार फर्स्ट ओन्ली गृह आधार ना, लाडी लक्ष्मी ना, पेन्शन DSS तुम्ही पेंडींग दवरा आणि हांगा पेट्रोलाचे आमी बोबो मारपाक लागल्या. इकॉनॉमिकल क्रायसीस, रिडक्शन ऑफ पेमेंट्स, पयशे कांय ना. आनी आयज 95 रुपीज पेट्रोल क्रॉस जाल्ले आसा भारतांत. गोंयांत 93. लोकांक जागे करता, लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता बाबा यू आर नॉट फिलिंग द पिंच. Because despite international crude prices जे आसा being 30%, where it was in 2012, कितें चल्लां? क्रूड प्राइसेसाचे तुम्ही हे करात, you all try to comparisons करात. मागीर भारतात कित्याक इतले म्हारग. आनी एक मुद्दो सांगू सोदतां, बीजेपीक एक संवय मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन, फेक इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवन लोकांक दिशाभूल करपाचें, लोकांक पिशें करपाचें. एंड वाय आय एम सेइंग दिस, 2017 इलेक्शन्स आशिल्ले, असेंब्ली इलेक्शन्स, तांकां भिरांत पडिल्ली आप पार्टीची, आम आदमी पार्टीची खंय तरी भिरांत पडिल्ली तांकां की बाबा लोक हेंचेर विश्वास दवरपाक लागले म्हण. आनी तेणी टू सम एक्सटेंट they tried to poison the minds of the people by fake news, but today people have realized what is AAP and how AAP is serious in Goa and in Delhi also. तेणी कितें सांगले, they threatened की if AAP सरकार comes to Goa, AAP सरकार समज पावरांत आयली गोंयांत जाल्यार जे पर्रीकरान हाडिल्ल्यो स्किम्स, बीजेपीन स्टार्ट केल्ल्यो स्किम्स लायक लाडली लक्ष्मी, गृह आधार आनी पेन्शनाच्यो, की AAP पार्टी ह्यो स्किम्स बंद करतल्यो म्हणून. Why would AAP stop something? We are not, we don't believe in vindictive politics, so we are not sadist. कितें बरें जाता जाल्यार we would have continued and would have done more. We would have added one more figure there to give to the Lakshmis, आमचे लाडली लक्ष्मी or गृह आधाराक. We would have never, but misinformation was misguide केल्ले लोकांक आनी तशें हाडिल्लें. But today I want to tell, हांव सांगूंक सोदतां बीजेपी सरकाराक, तुमकां एक मेसेज, दिल्ली केजरीवाल सरकाराक, दिल्ली गव्हर्मेंट चलयता, फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दिल्ली आसा आनी ते कोण डिनाय करपाक शकना. हेल्थ सेक्टर पळयात, फ्री तुमी ते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हेल्थ सेक्टर पळयात, तांचे हॉस्पिटलां पळयात. गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल्स आर एज गुड एज प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल्स इन दिल्ली. द फॅसिलिटीज विच आर गिवन बाय द दिल्ली गव्हर्मेंट. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हियर 2-2 दिसान लायट वता गोंयांत, 2 days there is no light, पावर फेलियर जाता. बट इन दिल्ली लायट एंड फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स, तुमकां बिल फारीक करपाक पडना, फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. बट हियर यू विल सी द बिल्स, हाऊ मच यू आर पेइंग इन अ मंथ, एंड इन दिस कोविड टायम हाऊ डिफिकल्ट इट इज फॉर यू. तिसरें म्हणटा तें हेल्थ. आमी तुमकां उदकाचें हेल्थ आनी हेजें सांगलें, वॉटर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड हेल्थ. But let me tell you, in this COVID times, our party, not only in Delhi but even in Goa, have reached out to the people. We have served the humanity. We don't have any MLAs, we don't have any ministers, we are not in power. But AAP is striving. AAP has reached every corner, every part of Goa. And I would like to repeat, you all can see it in the GMC, outside GMC, आमचे volunteers. Lockdown starts जालें, till today our volunteers have been giving food to the families of COVID patients, not only in GMC, even in the South District Hospital, even in the MAPSA Hospital. Not only that, the oximeter drive that we have started, कितले तरी आमी सेंटर्स ओपन केल्या, फ्री ऑक्सिजन मीटर्स ड्राइव आमी स्टार्ट केल्या. Concentrators we have given, I have given personally in Naveli constituency. People are blessing us for it. फ्री concentrators, you all know it cost around 60,000 min, पूण आमी दिल्या लोकांक यूज करपाक, बिकॉज दिस इज द टायम. आनी वर्स्ट जे बीजेपी सरकार करपाक शकूना, बीजेपी सरकार इज एट द सेंटर रूलिंग, माय डियर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, एंड बीजेपी सरकार इज रूलिंग इन Goa. There was nothing for them. If they can waive 277 rupees for the casinos, which is spoiling the life of youth, which is spoiling the life of the family, there was nothing to utilize this money for our Goans. They could have given free ration. The system, the initiative that our party has taken in Goa of reaching out to each and every person in Goa by giving them free ration. I don't know whether you have seen yesterday, I have the initiative I have started in the entire ward of Dongori. I have given it to the rickshaw drivers and pilots. And same way, our volunteers everywhere in Goa, it's not only in one constituency, every part of Goa, we are giving free ration. If BJP had to do only this much, they would have at least got some blessings. But we are doing it because we don't believe in doing dirty politics. If you have gone to see, you all must have seen, BJP सरकाराक सांगू सोदता, when election time comes, चवथ जावं, दिवाळी जावं, कसली पात्रा जात्रा आसूं, ते मागीर बरे, आनी ईद जावं, लोकांचो कितें करतात, क्रिसमस जावं, खीर करपाक शेवय धाडटात, साखर धाडटात, ड्राय फ्रुट्स धाडटात. ना म्हणचे गोंयकारींनी म्हाका म्हाका ना म्हणचें दिवाळे टायमार कितें धाडटात गोड धाडटात फोव धाडटात साखर धाडटात तांदूळ धाडटात दूद धाडटात ना म्हणचें म्हाका क्रिसमसा टायमार सागवादे धाडटात ते लोकांक गरजेचें ना people need your essential commodities now. This is the need of the hour. It's not only about the garib I'm talking about. It's not about garib लोकांचे उलयना हांव मिडल इनकमाचे लोक देखून आयज 500 जापारल्या इवन बरे बिझनस आशिल्ले लोक आयज 500 जापारल्या गाड्यो कोण वेपाक लागले पेट्रोल म्हारग जाला म्हणून आनी हांगा लोकांक 500 जापारल्या कित्याक जॉब्स आनी बिझनस तुमकां लागून बंद करपाक पडल्या म्हणून आयज आम आदमी तो इनिशिएटीव घेतला आनी हांव सलाम करता सॅल्यूट करता म्हज्या पाटी की आयज दारांत पावून आमी 10 केजीच्यो बॅग्स लोकांनी दिवपाक पावपाल्या जे बीजेपी सरकार पावरांत आसून करून पावना दॅट Aap Admi Party is doing it in Goa now. And this is the need of the hour. This is what people have told us. People have congratulated us. Before, I would like to tell you all, please remember, कोणाकय रेशन मेळुना ओ कोणाचे दारांत आमी वचपाक चुकल्यात राग धरचो न्ही आमी मनशाक खंय तरी चुकतात पूण तुमी समज ह्या नंबराचेर फोन मारलो आनी व्हॉलंटियरांक सांगल्यार ते पॅकेट जेवणाचे पॅकेट राशनाचे तुमच्या घरात पावतले तो नंबर आसा 7504750475. I repeat again, to avail free oxygen concentrators also, free ration also at your doorsteps, please dial this number 7504750475. And last but not the least, बीजेपी सरकाराक सांगूंक सोदता बाप सावंताक सांगूंक सोदता विश्वजीत राणीक सांगपाक सोदता You all have failed big time. Women and the girls of Goa are watching you all. You all have deprived them. तांचे जो हक्काचो रायट आशिल्लो जे 1 लाख लाडली लक्ष्मी मेळपाक जाय ते 24,000 जे एप्लिकेशन्स तुमी पेंडींग दवरल्या हांव हात जोडटा की ते पेंडींग जे दवरल्यात ते मातशे बेगीचे बेगीन एप्रूव करात कित्याक दीस कोवीड पॅन्डेमीक टायमार त्या बायलांक न्ही त्या फॅमिलीक न्ही ते चेडवाक न्ही खूब गरज आसा त्या पयशांचे तुमी हांगा तुमचे पॉलिटिक्स आनी तुमचे रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट करपाचे पळयनाकात आनी प्लीज कित्याक ते पयशे तुमी आमकां दिसता खंय तरी दवरपाक सोदता कित्याक फाल्यां सरकार तुमचो घडोवपा टायमार जेन्ना तुमकां इम्पोर्ट करपाक पडटले MLA हांगा साकून ते डोंट कीप दॅट मनी टू इम्पोर्ट कॅन्डिडेट्स टुमोरो द इलेक्टेड MLAs टुमोरो put that money here try to give ration which you have failed if you are not giving fine but at least try to release the funds the Ladli Lakshmi the Griya Adas and the DSS schemes म्हणून हांव सांगून म्हजे कॉन्फरन्स कवर करता देव बरें
You spoke about BJP trying to put AAP in a bad scenario during 2017. That time they might be doing this for AAP, but you were in Congress that time. Were you not able to understand that time also to Congress and Astana?
You have ever seen me in the past taking a press or speaking anything against Aam Admi Party? I was in Congress for last 24 years. Okay, I was in the front-ranking positions like Youth Congress President, Mahila Congress President. I have always picked on the BJP because AAP has never ruled in Goa. AAP was not in power in Goa.
Correct.
But one thing, let me tell you, being in Congress, I always had appreciated the good work done by Kejriwal in Delhi. I was the one who have even spoken twice in a conference there that we have to learn something from Kejriwal's model of Delhi. Because we being in Delhi at the center, I mean 60 years rule kela Congress in, we had ruled for 60 years. But see, 2-time elected, 2-time teka power and alla Kejriwal. But see, as I have said, I was the one who was telling them free electricity, free water, healthcare center. If you all can do this, why? People had rejected Congress. I was telling them, people have rejected you all because you all are not interested in touching the sensitive issues about the person or people. You will never see me. I used to always have that and I used to give examples of AAP. And I feel proud today that I am in AAP today and I can do something. I feel proud. Yesterday when I went to around 350 houses giving ration, people have told me, earlier we have seen you doing hard work. You have done a lot of hard work for the party, Congress party. But here, being in AAP, you are serving the people and humanity and we are proud of you.
Now this is 2017 issue. So you have done it in 2017 only.
What I should have done?
Join AAP.
No, I was, that time only I was being promoted and
No, because you are
selected
talking
as
good
a
things about
Mahila.
Assam.
No, it's not like that, Kenzil. Don't try to do politics
No, I'm
here.
not doing politics.
I'm
You
telling
will
you
see.
straight. I'm
I'm
telling you
not talking
straight.
good things about
Don't try
that.
to divert the issue.
I'm not trying
I have
to.
taken a very good issue today about the Ladli Lakshmi schemes where 24,000 applications are pending. Let's not divert the issue and let's not do politics over
I'm not doing
here. Thank
politics.
you.
Okay, second thing, there's been a viral video which is going on collecting data, phone numbers and numbers of voters. What is this exactly?
No, let me tell you. Yesterday was one video which was made viral. These are the fake propaganda done by BJP and even the Congress party. Because somewhere त्यांका भिरांत पडल्या, they are scared. Are you've seen in Delhi, Kejriwal started. AK Kejriwal started a movement of ration, door-to-door ration, and soon Modi government came with a danda, a whip, saying that you cannot do this door-to-door ration distribution. Then even yesterday I said, if pizza and burgers can be delivered at home delivery can be done, then why can't Aam Aadmi Party do the free ration to the people in the COVID pandemic time, where there is a need of the hour. बट आता तुवें सांगलें तशें एस्टरडे एक व्हिडिओ गेला 2 मुद्दे दॅट कितें तरी बॅग्स दवरल्या एक गोदावनात आनी साक दाखयल्यात आनी फेक दे हॅव जस्ट स्टाक केजरीवाल सर्स पिक्चर्स ऑन इट आनी दे हॅव ट्राय टू शो सी द माल देर इज इट इज रॉटन पिड्यार जाल्लो माल वेस्टेज का माल सॉरी people who have received our atta, people who have received our sugar, people who have received our tur dal, people who have received our watane, dal and salt, they are the ones you all can go, media can go and go to their houses and just find out, they will show you all the bags. Clean, fresh mal we have given. But this is the propaganda spread. But such things, people will not fall prey. Lok piche japan. And dusre, data, it's not about like that. When we give, we are taking their names and phone numbers because we have given even the helpline number. The helpline number and that should not clash. So we will see. आम्ही कोणाच्या घरा पावयला तो डेटा आमकां मेळटलो. We will see accordingly that these people have got the ration and who have not got, those who call us to give them. So it should not be clashes. That is the reason. If you go to see any company can give you, mobile companies can give you data. We don't need data to do that. We are doing it so that it is a connect, a bond between us and the people.
So mobile companies give data.
So I hope you all understand what I'm saying. So it is done so that anytime they call us, we can connect to them. The data system is only to know that which number we have given, 7504, 750475. And when the call comes, they amka हे जावपाक नाका म्हण क्लॅशीस जावपाक नाका म्हण. Rather than that, nothing.
Is mobile number important?
Yeah, the name and the mobile number. Because if तुका राशन मेळुना फाल्यां, तुका समज तुज्या घरांत राशन मेळुना, तू फोन मारतलो, so your number has to come. If your number is showing that you are already given, then it is injustice. No?
माझ्याकडे 2
So
नंबर
there
असतात,
should
त्याला
not be
किती करता तुम्ही?
disadvantage taken.
माझ्याकडे 2 नंबर
त्यात
असतात,
तुझी
त्याला
एक exceptional case असतली.
But will they get message from AAP afterwards?
Yeah.
Will they get message from AAP afterwards?
Whenever you all want anything, you all can call on that number and we will revert back to you.
But Congress is doing fake this तुमचं नाव पाड करता काँग्रेस करताय सगळं.
तू तोंडात उतरा कित्याक हाडूंक सोदता बिस्ती? तू बिस्ते तोंडात उतरा कित्याक हाडूंक सोदता? I don't try to miss हें करूं नाका. This is a state press conference which I have given. That's
I am also asking.
I don't want any issues to be diverted. I have said that yes, one this thing is going on the mobile social media fake propaganda done. It can be anyone. Opposition is doing it. We can understand that. It is their job because they are jealous because they are not doing it. They don't want others to do it. That's it. Thank you.
Okay.